Jack here, M43 Power Sports RCC Sport Bike. Just picked up the bike from RCC Turbos USA. We're taking it to the dyno tomorrow. And going to keep the boost real low. We don't want to break anything before we go to Daytona. I rode it a little bit today. It's got like 8 miles on it. Seems to obviously want to go straight, big tire, low center of gravity, big back tire. But I think it's going to be okay to ride. The bar position's really comfortable on it. It's going to be an absolute rocket ship when you start putting some boost to it. The motor setup's been done so we'll end up with about 500 horsepower. If you guys are looking for a turbo application, full customs, fat tire kits, any of the parts, I make the LED covers that you're seeing on here. These are specific just for a B-King. I can engrave them for whatever you want. That's the clutch, and then this is the stator. It's kind of hidden by the exhaust and wastegate tubes, but you can kind of get an idea. They're a matching pair. These are contrast black. I have them chrome or scalloped chrome or just plain black also. I'll show you how they air ride. 2 switches. There's one for the front and then one for the rear. So you can drop it right down. The whole project was to get something that was low and mean. Throwing that 21 on the front and moving the radiator to the tail really changed the whole aesthetics of the bike. Jesse James front fender, custom made front fender brackets, twin Turbonetics turbos, fully built internal motor by RCC Turbos USA. And then modified OSD plate from a Busa, which does not fit a B-King. There is a considerable amount of modifications to get it on a B-King. Went with a Busa arm and then modified the back frame to actually put the shock back in the middle so you could use one. Custom made subframe, rear mount radiator, Gixxer 1000 composite tail. Went with a factory Gixxer 1000 taillight molded in. Osher skin seat. There's going to be some more chrome and powder coat that needs to be done up here on the bars, but we were a little bit limited on time. We wanted to make sure that we got down to the International Motorcycle Show down in Daytona to get this entered in. Great feedback so far from all the customers. Everyone's kind of like, wow. They'll see one side, one turbo, look at the other and say 2, and then a lot of people will ask, why do you need two turbos? Well, as you can see, this thing's kind of got everything from choppers to race bikes to just fat tire custom Asian bikes all put into one. If you got a theme bike or a paint job that you're interested in putting in, or a whole bike build, get everything on paper, email it over to me at rccsportbike@hotmail.com. I'll get you a quote set up for you. We can get you on the build list and get your bike out to you. 517-925-8154.